Next, fourth Roman, prove the following identities. First sum, you have to prove that secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. Okay, now let us take the LHS secant power 6 theta. Okay, so secant power 6 theta is equal to, we can write secant power 6 theta is secant square theta the whole cube. So the power raised to another power. So 2 3s are 6. We want to multiply both the power, means it will be equal to secant power 6 theta. Okay, now we can write one more secant square theta using the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Using the identity we can write secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. Using identity secant square theta we can write 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. Okay, now it is in the form of algebraic identity a plus b the whole cube. So we know the formula a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So by using this algebraic identity we can write these term 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to tan square theta. So therefore 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube is equal to, first term a cube, so it become 1 cube plus 3 into a square b. So a square means it is 1 square and b is our tan square theta. So 3a square b plus 3ab square, next third term. So a is 1, our b is tan square theta. So b square become the whole square 3ab square plus b cube. B cube means b is tan square theta. So tan square theta the whole cube. So just we are applying the a plus b the whole cube algebraic identity for the term. Now it become 1 cube is 1. So 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 1 square is 3, then into tan square theta become 3 tan square theta plus 3 into 1 into tan square theta the whole square. So 1 into 3 3. So 3 into tan square theta the whole square become tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta the whole cube become tan power 6 theta. Okay, now so 1 plus, here we have 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan power 4 theta. So let us combine these two terms, means we can take 3 tan square theta is commonly outside. So it become, so in these two terms we are taking 3 tan square theta is commonly outside. Now it become, the first term fully we have taken out. So it become 1 plus, here we are taking 3 fully and tan power 4 theta, 1 tan square theta alone we are taking commonly outside. So remaining become tan square theta plus tan power 6 theta. Okay, now 1 plus 3 tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So the identity we know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in this secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta we can write. So instead of 1 plus tan square theta, what we can write here? Secant square theta plus tan power 6 theta. Okay, so let us rearrange the term. So it is tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. So this is our RHS we have to prove. So secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. That's all.